Well, prior to going, it was a lot of hot weather, so a lot of rain. Fishing kind of shut down a little bit on the river. A lot of people have been struggling, but I still thought I could do all right. I actually did, but didn't catch many good ones, unfortunately. But I did see a deer eating some food. It's like, and I saw a really cool bald eagle. Got good footage of that. So that's cool. I mean, it was all right day. I mean, could have been better, but I did all right. All right, about to go fishing. Haven't been in a little while, so let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna start off with a buzz bait. Hopefully throw that most of the day, and then move to a spinner bait when it kind of dies off. There we go. First bass of the day. There you go. All right, is that all right? There we go. Okay, buddy. Well, that's a small fish. Keep on eating. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. All right. Oh, you're so cute. Nom nom nom. Bye, guy. Bye, Dean. Getting closer to the eagles. Well, there it goes. I got nothing super good yet. Got 3 about this size. Better than nothing. There we go. That's a decent one. All right. Another one. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Well, yeah, a little fatty. All right. Nice mouth. Oh, decent one too. Here, buddy. Gotcha. Little guy. A little smallmouth. Oh, jeez. All right. Whoop. There you go. All right, little guy. It's all right. I'll take it. Number 9. Winks. There you go. Whoop. Alright, where are you? Well, picked up a spinnerbait and got a rock bass. Bleh. Bleh. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Bleh, 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 bleh. we go. There's my tail. Hello, largemouth. There we go. Another good one. That's a nice one. All right. And another one. Little guy. Hey, little guy. You are not a keeper. No, no, no. But you're cute. Oh, that's funny. Oh, it's just yeah, that's cool. I don't know if you're a keeper or not, but you're a nice fish. Yeah, you're a keeper. Cute. I gotcha. And he broke my lure. There we go. I said it's one. This largemouth, I think. Oh no, it's a smallmouth. It's just light. It's so light, buddy. Just chill out, Bray. There you go. There you go. There's me. That's a decent one. Cool. Cool. I'm getting a keeper. I'm getting keepers today. Day of keepers. Yoinks. Shoop. There we go. Fish. Looks like steelhead. Yeah. Yep. Whoa, hello. Hello, smallmouth. Thanks, buddy. This is rough. Gotcha. Hey, little guy. Where are you? You are a bass at least. Yoinks. Whoop. Here we go. A little fish. There we go. All right. It's cool to catch one at the end. With those little. It's all good. All right, just relax, buddy. Whoop.